Let's create AI Loan app using Python. We import Flask for the web framework, Pandas for organizing training data, and RandomForestRegressor as our ML model to predict a maximum loan amount as a continuous value. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define synthetic training data with 3 features: monthly income, credit score, and years employed, each mapped to a corresponding maximum loan amount the model should learn to predict. We convert the training dictionary into a Pandas data frame for easy column-based feature and label separation. We split the data frame into input features, X, and the target loan amount, Y, that the model will learn to predict as a continuous number. We initialize a random forest regressor with 50 trees and train it on our dataset using a regressor instead of a classifier because we are predicting an exact amount, not a category. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML UI where users can enter their financial details to get a loan eligibility prediction. This route handles post requests from the frontend, receiving the applicant's financial data and returning an AI-predicted maximum loan amount. We pass the incoming JSON body and extract the 3 input values, income, credit score, and years employed, converting each to a float for the model. We pass the 3 inputs as a 2D list to the trained model, which returns the predicted maximum loan amount as a continuous numeric value. We format the raw predicted number into a readable currency string, for example, converting 45,000.0 into $45,000 for clean display in the UI. We return a JSON response with a success status and the formatted loan amount so the frontend can display the result to the applicant. If any error occurs during input parsing or prediction, we catch it and return a JSON error response with the exception message instead of crashing the app. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error output during development. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.